This tutorial will show you how to review your Raz-Kids roster on a daily basis in order to inform your class attendance. So once you log on, you want to head over to Manage Students and click on Reports. You will land on your student management dashboard. There are many ways that you can assess student activity or view your student activity. So right now, the view that I have is all of the student activity based on the time when this platform went live. So in the drop-down box, I can search for just today, but given that it's Saturday, I'm not anticipating any activity. You could take a look at your class's activity within the last 7 days and other options. The one that would be helpful is to set a custom search. So if I was interested in the activity of yesterday, which was the 27th, I would pick the 27th as the start date and the end date, and I would apply that. And now I could scan quickly and see which students were on and for what activities did they complete and how many times did they log into the site that day. Okay, you see that some may choose to log in more than once. STARS is the incentive program built into Raz-Kids, so that's what they've earned for the work that they did. And then you could also see, this is also another important piece of information, how long were they actually logged in for? Again, we are saying that we can take student attendance if they are independently participating and reading on Raz-Kids for 15 minutes. So this column becomes important when we are looking at assessing student or gleaning student attendance. So important things to note. Teachers can use this report to record their daily attendance. Teachers can use this report to also identify students who have not participated for 2 consecutive days on Raz-Kids and reach out to parents or guardians. Maybe they need some help getting on, or just you want to understand why it is that their child hasn't been able to maybe access Raz-Kids. And if, as a teacher, you're unable to reach parents or guardians, please reach out to the building principal so we can troubleshoot and get the most accurate information about our students participating on our e-learning platform.